Hi, I'm Darren with Darren Does That. Very excited to show you what we're gonna do today. We're here at Donna's house, and I've done commercial Christmas lights for Donna in the past, starting with doing her big 40-foot tall trees a couple of years ago. But she's tired of having them put up and taken down every year. So we're gonna be installing our brand new, super bright, gorgeous permanent light product, Watts Lighting, on this house. We're doing two sides of this gorgeous looking house. There's great gables on it, multiple lines. When all this is put together, it's going to be a really cool feature. It's here on a corner lot, so everybody who drives through the neighborhood is going to get to appreciate these lights in all sorts of colors all year round, and Donna's not going to have to pay to have them put up and taken down anymore. Hey, we're back. It's been a long couple days of install. It takes us a lot of work to get these set up as persnickety as I like. You can see a little bit of what's going on. These lights, they have the warm white LED, so if you're just looking for a neutral look most of the year, it can be achieved. Now, this system isn't wireless, but our goal when we're installing them is to have it look like it is. So a big chunk of what we're doing that takes some time, as you can see, we have this white loom here. We use black on a darker colored house. Just cleanly run. We want no cables showing, both for the longevity of the system and for the way the whole project works. I'm really excited about this product. I'm gonna switch now to a couple short videos and some pictures that shows what this whole thing can do.